In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Clockify time tracker extension from your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, you need to go ahead and open your Chrome browser and then head over to the extension shortcut here and click on manage extensions. If you can't see this shortcut, then you need to go and click on this ellipsis here and then choose extensions option, and under it you'll see again manage extensions. If you click on it, it will take you again here. Here we have a list of all extensions that you have on your Chrome browser, and you can see Clockify time tracker is one of them. You can either remove it or turn it off. So if you turn it off, it will be inactive but remain on your browser. However, to remove it, go ahead and click on remove, and then you'll have to confirm by clicking on remove here, and it will be removed from your browser. So that's how you can remove this extension from your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.